I'm sorry, but as of this time, we don't have any information kung saang ports or subports um, nakatakas sila Guo siblings, Madam Chair.
So we don't know anything. 4 months later, more than 4 months later, kung paano sila nakatakas, kung may tumulong ba sa kanilang mga opisyal o kawani ng gobyerno natin, pati sa BI, kung saang port or coast man lang ng arkipelago natin siya tumakas.
Nangako naman ng BI na magsusumiti sila ng compliance report sa opisina ng senador sa lalong madaling panahon.
To Commissioner Viado of the Bureau of Immigration, with all due respect, please consider this an ultimatum. If no satisfactory answers on these matters are provided by the BI within 15 days, as designated chair of this subcommittee of the Committee on Justice, I will call for a revamp of the BI in the committee report of this subcommittee.
Nangako naman ng BI na magsusumiti sila ng compliance report sa opisina ng senador sa lalong madaling panahon.